Hi everyone, this is the TST MAX RV toilet holding tank deodorizer. We've been using this for quite a few years, probably at least 5 to 7 years. We got turned on to this by a friend of ours that had been using it. It only takes 2 ounces per treatment when you go camping. So we just put a couple ounces in our toilet when we go camping, and that goes in the holding tank and deodorizes for the rest of the camping trip. It deodorizes up to 7 days. Like I said, we've been using this for quite some time now, and as soon as it goes in, the odor goes away, and you got a nice non-smelling RV trip. So to install it, you just remove the cap, and I don't actually measure out 2 ounces. I just give it that's plenty right there. When you're done, replace the cap. Now make sure that you replace this cap nice and tight, because you don't want any spillage as you're going down the road. You don't want the bottle to tip over in your cupboard or wherever you're going to be containing this. So after you do that, trigger it, and then you're done. So if you're looking for a great product that actually works very well, I would suggest the TST Max by Camco.